Hi, welcome to our little space here on YouTube. I made a cleaning video. I hope you like it. If you do, I hope you'll subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell or hit the bell, tap the bell, whatever it is you do with the bell. Do it. Thanks. Doggone if I didn't finish before I had to go on and do something else. So what I did was I came back the next day and started where I left off. Please excuse those big double B's in the middle of the screen. We had the TV on the Food Network, and I'm not actually sure what YouTube's policy is on having TV shows running in the background or commercials, so I tried to block them. Do y'all see those legs kicked back on the recliner there on the right-hand side of the video? That's my husband. He's kicked back taking a nap. And I gotta say, I was a little bit perturbed. Look at me, I'm moving furniture with one hand. That's how perturbed I was. But I got over it. He took me to the movies later, so he's forgiven. It was about this time I was getting really tired. Moving the furniture was hurting my legs and I was just ready to quit. And as you can tell in a few minutes, I really didn't want to move that table to vacuum under it, but I decided I needed to. I also moved the shoes and everything out of the corner, but you don't see that because the camera quit. It stopped. I don't know why it stopped, but I'm gonna have to figure that out. So you missed the whole part where I cleaned where the shoes are, and I even vacuumed under the sofa cushions. I have to do that about once a month because I do pretty much everything on this sofa, and I gather a lot of crumbs under those cushions for some reason. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, like, and share. See you later.